And that right there, folks, is exactly the reason why we carry cheap Sam's Club, buy them in bulk, clear garbage bags in our van. I don't want them to be see-through so that somebody thinks it's trash and throws it away. I want them to be able to see that that's a delivery that got delivered while they weren't there and we were working. It protects it from dripping water. It protects it from the bottom getting soaked from, you know, where we wash down here. So that's just a little tip, is to always carry garbage bags, see-through, opaque, or clear garbage bags with you. Make sure they're the big ones, because the small ones, some of those packages won't be able to get into it. If it's small enough, we'll package it, we'll tie it to the door. That's always a good way. That's just a little tip. You have to be able to do that when you're dealing with apartment complexes, because inevitably you're going to get 2 or 3 deliveries during the day while you're working. Weekends, they're going to deliver. During the day, they're going to deliver. And they don't carry, you know, any way of wrapping it up. They don't care. They just throw it and go to the next one. So that's how we protect the clients and the complaints of, oh my God, my package got delivered. Do sometimes they get wet? Yes, sometimes we don't see them. And they do get wet, but we try to look for them. We try to bag them. We try to protect them. We knock on the door. If they're home, you know, take it in. If not, then we're gonna bag it. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing, just a little tip on how to protect your clients or your client's clients, so to speak.